it's the depths of the ocean, but then we're also this wave. And so we also want to look at and get very clear on when we are moving in the relative world as a wave alone, as believing that I am this contraction, believing that I am these thoughts, believing that I am, and I should say just this body, just these thoughts, just this contraction. And so then therefore my decisions get made from that place. If we can really start to, on any of the bodies really, we talked about the 5 tantric bodies, but if we can start to be aware of when we are moving from any of those bodies alone and forgetting that the anchor is actually in the absolute, then we can move with more discernment. In spirituality or in the pursuit of enlightenment, you're not going to reach a place where these are just gone. You are the universe, so everything in existence is a part of you. So learning to be able to be with every aspect of yourself with clarity is really what we're aiming to do here, so that Dharma, which is your true essence, can shine through. I think I've used this analogy before, but it's like each of us is a piece of stained glass. Our souls, are pieces of stained glass in a mosaic, and the absolute is the light that shines through that mosaic. But if it can get clouded or dusty or dirty and the light cannot shine through so well, when we are living from a place of contraction, of illusion, of identification, of being just this body, just this mind, me and my problems and the things that I need to do and the places I need to go, that's when we, our expression of self gets blocked or tainted, versus, when the absolute flows through us in a space of non-identification, let's say, or pure witnessing or pure being, all of the different words we can put onto it, we will naturally express our Dharma. Your soul came into this world with its own natural gifts that's meant to be expressed. The world needs that. And I know you've probably heard that before, but it's so true. And as long as we are remaining contracted and identified and localized and believing that we're this individual person that needs to do, we're in this place of being so small and forgetting how big we can be.